the 7th Industrialization Week is coming at the right time when, as a region, we are about to commemorate 10 years of its existence. And to me, I call it like, okay, the African child is back home. And on that, while we are commemorating the 10 years, it's the right time to assess ourselves how far we've been able really to implement this strategy in the region. And it's against the time when the head of state have directed that we review the industrialization strategy and roadmap. And to Zimbabwe, it's an honor again. Yeah, you are the one who really initiated the strategy in the region. And now the review is again coming while you are assuming the chairmanship. For some of us who are Christian, we can call Zimbabwe maybe the land of honey and milk. Thus wants to take the region to the next level when it comes to this. The third pillar is regional integration, where we're saying our aim, or as a SADC, our motto is the SADC we want. And the SADC we want is by ensuring that we are integrating as 16 member states. We wouldn't want to see we are leaving one behind. So under this, that's where we are implementing the protocol on trade for 1996, which brings together the region. But also, for those who are coming from my field, we know the principles of regional integration from the theory perspective, where we have the free trade, the customs union, the common market, the monetary, then the political federation. But as a region, we are no longer really focusing more on this traditional way of integration, but we are implementing them through our RSDP, Revised Indicative Strategic Plan for 2020-2030, which also address some of these traditional stages of regional integration.